everybody, Mrs. Huggins here. As you can see, I am not in the classroom. I am here in my own house, in my own kitchen. So a lot of you know that I love to bake, so I have a baking challenge for all of you. We are going to try to make something together as a St. Mary's family. I have the recipe for a chocolate chip banana bread that I like to use, and I'm going to share it with all of you, and hopefully you can make it together and share your results with all of us. Okay, let's get started. So first, you of course need to wash your hands, so make sure everyone has nice and clean hands, and we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. So go ahead and do that. And then next, we're going to get a very large bowl. And this is super easy to do with your kids because you can mix just everything in one bowl together and they're gonna have a lot of fun doing it. All right, so let's get started with our sugar. We're gonna add that. Next, we are going to add melted butter. This is a great opportunity for you to talk to your children about the science, how a solid becomes a liquid when you put it in the microwave. All right, we're gonna mix that all together. And when it's nice and smooth, you are going to add your flour. It's gonna look like this. So add in your flour. Keep stirring. And next you're going to add in your baking soda. I have some all measured out right here already. I'm gonna pour that in. Okay, just gonna keep stirring. And I like to add in mine a dash of cinnamon. So you can add as much as you want. If you like a lot of cinnamon, add some more. Perfect. And we have to add in our salt. This is a great opportunity for you to talk to your kids about measurements and fractions and the math behind baking. Okay, we're gonna add that in. Perfect. Okay, we also have to add in our eggs. We have 2 eggs here. So it's a really easy recipe because you can just put everything all together. It's pretty foolproof on not messing it up. Okay. And then I like adding this ingredient because it makes it super creamy. We add sour cream. All right, we're gonna add that in. Delicious. All right. So just keep mixing it all together, and you don't have to add these, but I do love adding chocolate chips to my banana bread. So I'm going to add those in. And you're gonna fold those really nicely in. It's a great time to have your kids learn how to stir and mix up in a big bowl because this is super easy to do. So next and last, this is my favorite part, and the kids are going to love this. I'm gonna set this aside for a second. Now, one of the reasons I love making banana bread is because the browner the banana, the better. The sweeter the banana bread will taste. So this is perfect for you to use. Instead of throwing away those old bananas, you can actually use them to make banana bread. So you can show the kids how when they change it to brown, have brown spots on them, you can use them instead of throwing them away. So you're going to use 2 bananas, and I already have them pre-cut. It's great for them to use. You can put it in a Ziploc bag just like this. I'm gonna dump them in here. And then they can mash them up with their hands, which is great. It's a great sensory activity for those little hands. Definitely helps with fine motor. Or they can use a masher and they can mash them just like that. It's a lot of fun. So they can get them nice and smushed. This is perfect. Okay, and then you just pour them in and add them to your batter, like so. All right, so we will mix everything together now. So next you're gonna take a bread loaf pan, just like this, and you're going to have it sprayed already. And you're going to pour your batter in, like so. And you're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 60 minutes or so. And as soon as it comes out, as delicious as it's gonna smell and you wanna cut into it, you're still gonna have to wait about 10 minutes or so for it to cool because it needs to finish setting. So it's gonna look like this. You're gonna put it in, and we actually have the finished product here. It's gonna look just like this. It's gonna come out, I don't know if you could see, it's gonna be delicious, filled with melty chocolate chips. So good. I love this. This is gonna be such a fun thing for you to do with your family together, and you can learn while you're doing it. It encompasses science, math, fine motor skills, and it's perfect for sensory for those little hands too. So I hope that everybody enjoyed this video. I hope that you have an opportunity to do this or make something with your family. Just like our motto at St. Mary's, hand in hand together we are one in Christ. Hand in hand together we can make something in the kitchen with all of God's foods that He has blessed us with. So I cannot wait to see if you want to try the challenge to make banana bread or any delicious treat with your family, and post in the comments below what you make and how it turned out. I hope everyone's staying safe, and I can't wait to see you all soon. Bye.